Hey everyone, we're going to review a 1967 Ford Mustang Sports Sprint Edition. This car has been completely restored and very thoroughly documented. We'll go over all this in a minute. You can go to volocars.com and that's where you'll find a price tag on this car, which is offered for sale, along with about 200 other classic cars at volocars.com. That's where you'll find a price tag and a monthly finance payment to make it easy for you as well. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So the 67 was the first year of the major revamp of the Mustang. One of the things they changed is a big wide open grille, which allowed more air into the engine. And this is the Sport Sprint model, which has the vented hood, and air would actually pass through there. Believe it or not, it made for a better air-fuel mixture for the engine. So anyway, this one has the Sprint hood, which includes these indented scoops with turn signals in there that blink to let you know that your blinker's on. So looking on the car, it is straight, it's clean. This has been restored for a while, and it looks like it was just done yesterday. We actually sold this car to the person we just acquired it from a few years ago. He kept incredible care of the car. Yeah, this is all straight, clean, beautiful, nice metal. I don't see any issues of shrinkage or cracking or waves. It's all in really nice shape all the way down to the bottom. It's painted its original color, lime gold metallic. The metal flake is all even, and it's got a real glossy, wet, clear coat finish. Gaps are right on the money. Opens and shuts like a new car. Clean, straight. Here's a chip right here, right there on the edge. It doesn't look dented, but the paint is chipped. This is all straight, clean, lines up beautifully. Really, really nice body and paint. I will say that. You know, we love the Mustangs because so many of us are familiar with Mustangs. It's an American icon. You have some sort of memory. You owned one, or you knew of one, or you seen one that you really liked, and that's why they're so popular today. You don't have to have an Eleanor or a Bullitt or a really high-end Mustang to enjoy the collector car hobby. This is a nice Sport Sprint base model that's restored to show condition. All of this chrome is sparkling. The chrome vent window is not pitted. The mirror is beautiful. All this stainless trim is straight and shiny. Door handles, brilliant chrome, has wheel well moldings. All the trim really sparkles, and that makes a real positive impression. The rear bumper looks like it was replaced. There are some really fine light scratches on it. Tail lights are sparkling. Gas cap is sparkling. All the trim there looks really nice. Also has the remote mirror on this side, and that's beautiful, and the vent window is beautiful. Original glass, there's light little nicks, chips, imperfections on the glass. You might be wondering what these are for. These are just thumb screws. You can take them off and remove them if you want. It's just to keep dirt, debris, water from going down in the cowl vents, assuming you're taking it out on nice days and keep it in the garage. I personally would take those off. The emblem sparkle, has the wire wheel hubcaps. They're in really nice shape. They're stainless steel with chrome centers. Up front, the bumper is re-chromed. The running horse, all this looks to be in really nice shape. Has the correct antenna. So the outside of the car is looking really good. Got some nice style feature going on right there. Let's open it up, see what the inside has to offer. All right, we have a super clean trunk, and it's full of some bonuses as well. The condition is absolutely pristine. Look how nice it's painted. This sticker, you got the new weather strip. The jam is as slick as the car. You can get a glimpse of the wheel well. The whole inside of the trunk compartment is painted beautifully, even glossy. It has the liner that fits real nicely, a tire cover over a real nice spare. And this car just comes with so much good stuff. In the tote here, just miscellaneous things, license plate frames, original air cleaner, just all sorts of stuff that was accumulated during the restoration. Includes a car cover, and then this is really good, this binder documentation. This is known as the Marty Report. They have on microfilm the original records to Fords, I think starting in 1967. You give them $55 and you get this. So it was ordered new as the Sports Sprint. It was sold in Omaha, Nebraska, and it lived there most of its life. Lime gold, black vinyl bucket seats, and then all of this, here's the window sticker, and then all of this is receipts and documentation, owner history, photos of the restoration and the rebuild. This is really nice to have. And this by itself, showing that someone took this much care to document this, you know they took that much care in building this car. So this is a really special Mustang. It's going to be simple to service and take care of. Now we offer a new feature. If you text to the number 844-592-2431, text the word new, N-E-W, you'll be notified as new arrivals are posted on our site. So the door jambs are painted really tidy and clean, and the weather strips were replaced, and the door latches and weather strips look real nice. Door panels are excellent. There's a couple of snags over here on this side. Now 67, they had some safety features they implemented in the 67. The padded dash, which this one has a split right here. And then the cushion, the energy absorbing steering wheel, and then even the armrests are energy absorbing. So at today's standards, that's a lot different than an airbag, but they were starting to really think about safety. So the whole instrument panel, all the chrome, sparkles, all the instruments are real nice. And check this out. They put a little mini tachometer in there. Oh, they light up blue. Real nice. So that's a custom feature. All of this really tidy, clean, nice. Owner's manual. Kick panels are real nice fitting carpet. It's not wrinkled, embroidered mats. The seats have been rebuilt. I can tell you they're nice, tight, and firm. Got a nice extra center console in the middle with your cup holder for your coffee. Yeah, really nice. Look at, not a wrinkle. They're firm, beautiful upholstery on the seats. Carpet and back's real nice. We got seat belts for everyone. All upholstered really well. Headliner replaced, fits real nicely. Dome light works. Got real nice matching visors. Little vanity mirror. The mirror looks new. And has a wrapper around the steering wheel. There may be some cracks in the plastic. That's typical. You might have noticed this in our cars lately we've been videoing. Our cars go through inspection. These first 4 pages are already checked off and inspected back in our shop. And then when it leaves, it gets inspected one more time just to make sure that it's leaving here in good condition. We really do our best to make sure they run and function and look as expected. We also have a Buy It Now button on our website. You can click. They'll just lock in any car while you're doing your due diligence. So this is the Sports Sprint 6-cylinder motor. And can you imagine a simpler engine to work on? You can change your valve cover gasket, your spark plugs, give it a tune-up. It's all right here. Boy, it doesn't get any more simple than that. You can see everything is restored. It's all factory condition. The engine bay, the firewall, the metal is all clean, smooth metal, painted the semi-gloss black. Battery is properly installed. The relay solenoid looks new. The horns up front, they look like new. You got the correct rubber shield here, the right radiator cap, reproduction hose and clamps. Yeah, all looks really nice and clean. Distributor, fuel pump, oil pressure sending unit. Boy, you wouldn't even get dirty if you had to give this car a tune-up. We have the washer fluid bottle, which is all hooked up. Does have power brakes. And then underneath the hood, is all painted really nice as well. These are the vents from the underside. Caleb's going to take you for a cruise, and hope you enjoy it.
So we're in the Mustang. We are taking her around the block. Going to show you how she drives. You know the drill. This one's fresh in the inventory. It might be up, it'll probably be up by the time you guys see this video, but it's not even on the website yet. So just got done with inspection, so we'll see how she does. Very solid car so far. Definitely a nice cruiser. It's comfy. I like the armrest. Steering's nice and tight on it. Power brakes work well. Got a few cars to wait for to pass, but after that we'll get her up to speed, see how she does. Idle's real nice. All right, here we go. Yeah, I mean, she's definitely a cruiser, but it'll look good cruising down the road. And that's the whole point. Doing 60, no problem. Feels super solid. Look at it, straight. No issues here. Try the radial.
Another conservative influencer tweeted that Swift.
Looks like it's got the original AM radio, so that's working. Yeah, super solid car. These brakes are amazing. I'll give it that. This thing will stop on a dime.
So we have here one of the most popular American cars in history, a vintage Mustang. We have here one of the nicest cars in my inventory, and it's by far not the most expensive, but if you just want a really nice car to be proud of, to show off to friends, to take to car shows, to just peek in your garage and look at and admire, that is this car here. And if you want one of the simplest cars that I could imagine working on, it's also this car right here. I mean, everything's available for a Mustang. You can get anything, and you can work on this car, and I guarantee you won't even get your hands dirty. Not that it needs any work. It is serviced, ready for you to just enjoy. The underneath is really clean as well. The floors, the frame rails, all that's real nice. All the components are clean and proper. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The starter looks fresh. The C4 automatic transmission is clean. The single exhaust system going all the way out the back is clean, proper. So really very nice car, very well sorted, very well restored. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer the questions you still have, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.